So I'm showing how to change, the LG WM0642HW if it has a bad pump. That's what I was doing. So this top actually just pops off. There's these compression things. I don't know where they are, but they're there somewhere. So it pops up, and that's going to reveal in one of these the circulation. And you can see that's going to go up the top and just circulate water down the front. And then the drainage one, there's also a little hose in the back, and that's this clean out hose that you probably used before. That's going to plug in right back there. And the other one tucked inside with this gray hose here, that's the exhaust hose that's going out back to your drain. So here you can pinch that, pull it up. Once you get this thing out, hopefully you figure out what motor is not working for you. I can show you a little slide at the end on how to do that. But then you got 3 screws to remove on this thing, 1, 2, 3, and that motor assembly is going to come out. You can see mine's bad, just the way it's not spinning very well. There is a rubber seal there. You're going to have to replace. This part's available on Amazon, and it's about $25. So ultimately, you'll screw that back into here and put the whole pump assembly back in. But figure out the air mode on this. It's not plugged on now, but once on, hold these 2 buttons down, and then hit the power button. It'll put it in diagnostic mode, and then hitting this each time will cycle all different pumps. The first one's going to do the tumbler, and it's going to show you how many revolutions per minute on there. When you hit it the next few times, it's going to go through the flow valve of each of these and make sure they're turning on. And then you're going to hear the pumps. So the first pump, if you hear it, it's going to drain water down the top on this hose right here. If it's draining water down that hose, you know that pump is working. That is the smaller pump here, and you can see that hose heading up. And then you're going to hear the next one. If they sound bad or the water isn't getting out of the machine, the next time you hit that start button, it's going to be this pump, and that will give you the clue you need, hopefully, to know that that's what you need to fix.